Can I get my nails done? Okay, honey, do you like pedicure too? No, just my nails. Honey, why you don't like? Pedicure, it may look nice, it's so sexy. It's better for you. Oh, alright, sure, then I'll get a pedicure too, thanks. Okay, honey, sit down, number 6, my Ling, she do for you, good job, only $20 but that's okay, sit down. Oh, okay, thanks. So my Ling starts doing my nails right away. By the way, her American name is Tammy. Tammy. You have boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nail? Short nails, please, thanks. Oh, honey, that's why you don't have a boyfriend. I do for you, long better. Alright, fine, I'll have long nails, thanks. It's okay, honey, only $4 more, that's okay. Do you like crystal gel? What? Do you like crystal gel? I'm sorry, what? Honey, do you like crystal gel for your nail? It's the best thing you can have for your nail. Make look nice, it sparkle like diamond in the sky. Do you like crystal gel? Oh, no, I don't want crystal, that. Thanks. Honey, you say to me you do not have boyfriend. I just want to help you. Oh, okay, fine, I'll have some, thank you. It's okay, and it's better for you, only $6 more. Open it, go wash your hand. Alright, thanks, Tammy. Oh, wait, hold on, this one here is a little bit crooked. See that? No, honey, that your finger do like that. That's funny, because my finger didn't do like that before I came in here. It's okay, honey, don't worry, I fix it for you, don't worry. Chúc mừng năm mai bồng nem xe lắm tiền kìa lo món Oh, she said you look so pretty.